After the Second World War, there was just about 50 English longhorn cattle remaining. Today, there are over 12,000 of them. Colonies of crested auklets, very gregarious seabirds, can often be smelled before they are seen, apparently giving off an intense citrus smell akin to that of tangerines. The stronger a bird smells, the more successful it appears to be at finding a mate.
Not to be confused with the smaller muskrat or the paddle-tailed beaver, the similarly semi-aquatic nutria also lives in creeks and wetlands in much of the Americas. The ashy gecko, Spherodactylus elegans, is a dwarf gecko reaching a maximum size of 8 centimeters. The Cuban subspecies was once believed to be two separate species because of the stark difference between juveniles and adults. The Haitian variant's appearance is only slightly more similar across life stages.